Good morning all of you. I am Rupinder HOD Assistant Professor RPIIT Campus Karnal. Today we are going to present lentil and legumes Hindi or English name. Mostly Indian cuisine Indian population consumes lots of legumes or lentils. So firstly in this video I have discussed the Hindi or English names of the lentils and legumes. Here it is black whole grams. In kitchen we have known as black chana. Next, white chickpeas. White chickpeas means सफ़ेद छोले या सफ़ेद चने. This is kidney beans. It is known as kidney beans or Hindi name is rajma. Here red lentils. It is the whole red lentils which is known as masoor ki dal in our kitchen. Next, green whole gram. It is hari moong ki dal. It is known as hari moong ki dal in our daily routine in our kitchens. And the next, whole black gram. इसे हम बोलते हैं उड़द की दाल. And this is the variety of whole red lentil. It is known as washed red lentil. It is known as washed red lentil, dhuli masar ki dal. And the next is, it is whole green gram, and this one is a split green gram. It is known as dhuli छिलके वाली ग्रीन दाल, जिसे हम बोलते हैं छिलके वाली हरी दाल in our kitchen. And it is the washed green gram, मूंग की दाल, धुली मूंग की दाल. It is a split and it is whole, and this is washed green gram. And the next is split black gram, whole black gram, and this is split and it is skinned black gram. धुली उड़द की दाल, and it is छिलके वाली उड़द की दाल, and it is the साबुत उड़द की दाल. And the last is dry peas, सूखे मटर. It is mostly used in kulcha recipes. And this one is the tur dal, arhar dal. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our RPIIT academic channel. Thank you.